This is how least recently used work.
Hello, Sir Ryan. I have the new stock of books to put in the library.
Sure, thank you. Let me check the bookshelf first. I think there is no available slots for the new books. However, I can replace the new books with the least recently used books. Let me pick some books that have been used for the longest time. Look, these are some books that were last borrowed 5 years ago.
So now, we have enough spaces for the new books.
Correct. Thank you for the books, Sarah.
You're welcome, sir.